What's up? It's Fantasy Queez, and today we back with another video. So today's gonna be completely different from any other time we do another like a collection video or anything like that. So today we're gonna be breaking into a abandoned vending machine. I got the vending machine from one of my friends. He started his own business, and the vending machine was already inside when he bought the place. I bought the vending machine from him for like $25. So hopefully we get our money back with that. I hope it's like, money inside, but I'm kind of weird, so I hope it's an expired product inside. Like an old Pepsi. It's an old Pepsi machine from like the 70s. And they only had the glass bottles back then. And, I think the machine only take quarters and dimes. So that's the only thing we're going to be seeing in the machine if it's money inside. No bill acceptor, so it's just coins all the way through. Also, I want to look inside because it's kind of weird. I don't even know how the pot will really fall down. So let's go ahead, check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. A lot of love. I'm thankful for everybody that's viewing my channel. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's go on and check this out. All right, guys. So my dad forgot the drill, so he's about to use a hammer in the shank to forget. There we go. Is it really working?
Cutting my shit.
Oh, this shit is really working. Oh, let me plug it up real quick. Let me plug it up.
Plug it up.
Plug it up. Hold on, don't break it. I gotta plug it up first. Oh, look at that. It's plugged up. Can you hear it?
I can hear it.
You don't hear it?
I said I can hear it.
Oh, I hear it. No, it came off. Door open.
Will be in a minute.
Let's see. Told you it's more room. Ah, shit, what the fuck? And there is money inside. What the fuck? Let me see. What the fuck is that? This one? This one? Which one? This one?
Go stack again.
No, but you can take the bug sector off. Oh shit, that shit heavy as fuck. Oh yeah, unplug it. Oh shit, money right there. There's money inside there.
Let's hit it with a hammer.
Try to, and then.
It looks like he's jammed.
How the fuck you? Oh shit. Oh shit, it's stinking here. Ain't no fucking pop in here though. Oh. God damn. Yeah, you gotta unplug this motherfucker now. Oh, the money on top, that's why I fell. You putting the bill detector back in there? Can you dispense all the change out of it?
I'm trying to work on it. Spit out the change.
Oh, wait. We got the... How would you load this anyway? Oh, damn.
On the tray. Or the bottles roll and slide down and slide right
You
into
sure it's straight in the, oh, yeah. It says it right there. Let's close this shit up. That shit stink. Oh, shit, what the fuck? Oh, now it's fucking broke. I'm dropping money.
Ah.
Shit. You got to unscrew the whole bottom?
So far.
I can actually use this and put it in one of my locations. I should have tested it out to see if it still worked before. The light still work. Yeah, I'm gonna take a shower. We probably got $25 anyway. Nah, I'm Nah, this stink real fucking bad. There's money all over the floor. Oh, you got it open.
Give me my money. Give me my money. All this
one
beat up money.
Yeah, it's green. This one's dirty. 70s.
Yeah, open it up. Put this where it belongs. It's like this dead ass machine. Take the bulb out.
Take the bulb out. We're gonna do it with the bulb.
Only thing worth something.
Alright guys, so that's about the end of the video. So I'm glad that y'all watched it, and I hope y'all liked it. Quick thing, it wasn't a bill acceptor, it was a coin mech. I'm sorry for calling the bill acceptor all through the video. I don't know what was wrong with me. Also, that vending machine don't take quarters. I thought it was quarters and dimes or something like that. It's really only dimes and nickels. So that's why we only found, like, I think probably like $6, $7. I'm put the real amount like over here somewhere. Really, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, y'all liked the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all later.